Hello,
Hey,
people!
yo.
Yo, what is going on? Let's adjust this so that Scott is in the frame fully. There we go. Look at his nice haircut.
Thanks.
You're
Thanks for the
welcome.
haircut.
Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. How are y'all doing? Hello, Han. Hello to Nagoya. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Code with Friends Spring 2020 closing ceremony stream. Yay! This is super casual, and we don't have any.
Closing ceremony. There's no graduation caps or anything,
No,
but
I don't have any
we can pretend.
confetti.
Everybody can pretend they
Dun. Is it right to left or
I
left
don't
to
know.
right?
Dun,
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 dun.
dun.
You just wave it in the air like that.
Yeah.
Yes, that is how that works. Yes, for those of you who don't know, this is Scott. He is my husband. We worked on the event together, so he worked on a lot of the stuff as well to bring this event to life. I know, closing stream, sad, but what? But yeah, welcome. This was a wonderful month for Code with Friends. Um,
Yeah.
yeah.
Everybody submitted really cool projects. I was very impressed. A lot of people had very different ideas, used different stacks, and it seems like a lot of people learned a lot of stuff, which is really exciting. I myself didn't actually submit a project. We ended up having a lot of other things to take care of this month. So Mayuko did submit a project, but I wasn't unable to complete mine. Yeah, so hopefully you guys all enjoy the stickers coming your way for the people who participated. And if you didn't participate, I think we'll probably be doing something like this again very soon,
Definitely.
because it seems like it was very popular. Everybody really, uh, you know, dug their heels in and made stuff really cool.
Yeah. On Friday, Scott and I looked at all of the pull requests that came through. Um, that included everybody's work as well as their readmes to talk about what projects they worked on. And I believe we had about 80 projects in the end that were submitted, which was mind blowing because we were happy if there were like 5.
Yeah. We were super stoked that there were what 80
I think 80
submissions,
something, yeah.
77 submissions.
Mm-hmm.
It was really really great.
Yeah, so we were very excited to see that. We looked through every single person's README, and if you had a demo, we played around with it. It was cool.
Yeah,
Like it was
so many different ideas, so many
very.
lots of just like cool things. Everybody
Mm-hmm.
made cool things. It
Everybody
was
made
really
cool
fun.
things. Yeah. So what we want to do during this closing ceremony stream is, first of all, we want to present the winners of the awards that we voted on. Um, this event, for those of you who don't know Code with Friends, by the way, this is a month-long event where people could just work on projects together. It wasn't a hackathon. There was no competition, really no prizes, no like anything
Yeah,
really.
just an event to keep each other accountable and working on something that you've been wanting to work on, or um, something new for you to explore.
Mhm.
Um, so that's just yeah.
Yeah, we find it's oftentimes the hardest part about coding and working on your own projects is the motivation of it all.
Yeah.
And so working on it with friends, we thought we could create a cool community of people who are working on something of their own together, who can kind of support each other, hold each other accountable. We checked in every Sunday evening about what we've been working on, what we're going to work on, and what we're blocked on.
Hmm.
We had some coding help channel. We also had bi-weekly live streams, or 2 live streams a week,
Yep.
where I or someone else streamed like a co-working session like I do on Twitch all the time, Monday through Friday.
Yeah. Give
Um,
shout out to Hypnotics TV, Brian.
yes.
He was very helpful in keeping the stream going even when we weren't available.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed his stream as well.
Yep. But yeah, it was a fun time, and we're really excited that there are so many great projects that came out of this.
Yeah, just to kind of give you guys a sense of uh, what was what all the projects were.
Let's go to this screen. I can hide the Pomodoro timer because we're not working together right now. Cool. Let me boost this. Can I? Can I boost it? There we go. So if you go to if you type in cwf.hellomayuko.com, it'll redirect you to our Code with Friends website that had all of our information. Underneath projects is a list of all of the projects that were submitted.
In no particular order.
No particular order. Literally, like not any sort of order at all.
Mayuko doesn't know how to sort things.
I just decided to keep it open because why not? So yeah, a lot of great stuff here. Yeah, do you want to share the stats first?
There's a couple interesting stats that that we found along the way. About 14% of the projects were based around like time, accountability, like time management, keeping yourself accountable, keeping other people accountable, and stuff like that. And about 11 to 12% of the projects were based around convenience. So like things that you could do at home, things that you could go out, like conveniently find in your neighborhood. A lot of the projects were based around COVID. Another 12% were based around COVID and, where you can find masks, that kind of stuff. And then actually 7 of you, so about 9%, made a game, which was really cool. I didn't expect that many people to make games because it's kind of a little more involved than making an app. So it was really cool seeing the diversity in all of the projects. There's not more than I think 10% on average was like the highest.
Yeah. But yeah, it was really cool to see what kind of thing that y'all gravitated towards.
Highest similarity.
Yeah, high similarity, especially because we put a theme for this event, which was quarantine. Mm-hmm. But there was really no strict rule on sticking with it at all. It's kind of just let everybody do whatever you wanted to do. It was really fun to see what y'all ended up coming up with. And so we wanted to go over who won the awards. The awards themselves, like we didn't release the name of the awards or what categories they were because again, we didn't want this to be.
They were just like kind of ridiculous awards that we came up with on like Saturday after we seen all the projects. We're like, oh, what kind of fun awards would match all of the projects here? And so we kind of just did it last minute and wanted to just have fun with it for the people who participated.
Yes, especially because we didn't want awards to begin with because this isn't a competition. There's literally the awards shouldn't mean anything. We find that oftentimes coding events and hackathons are so competitive and so intense that it kind of takes out the fun of everything and it just becomes like kind of a stressful event, which we didn't want. So we came up with a couple of awards. Again, really there's no meaning to them except that they're fun, and we just came up with it after we kind of saw the categories of things that people were interested in. We will do that momentarily. What do you need help with?
Nothing.
Oh, okay, cool. So let's go to the awards voting here. All right. So the winner of favorite project, I know it's really hard to see here, but it was Leap Mask with a total of 4 votes. Leap Mask was this one. Detect when a person is approaching the terminal through facial detection. Detect if this particular person is wearing a face mask. Provide a basic touchless input interface in order to minimize surface contact with the skin. Gesture recognition capable by Luca. Oh my goodness, Microsoft, please go away. This was a really cool project. Scott and I also really enjoyed looking at this one. Really some cool technical things that went into here, and also very of the times.
Yeah.
I would say. Yeah. So congratulations, Luca, if you're watching, for winning favorite project. So you can all check out his README think he has his
Okay.
source code in here as well.
Yep.
So y'all
Yeah.
can go
He
check that out.
yeah, if you were following along on Discord, he was um, very involved on the Discord, posted lots of progress, and you can kind of get a sense of how he was able to, make it work, make it happen.
Cool. Okay, so that's favorite project. Most unique project was Burb, which was a React Native app to help this person's family keep track of their birds and all necessary info about them, such as family relations. I personally really liked Burb. Like, Burb was a very cool project to look at, made by Serena. But yeah, she has a bunch of birds who she breeds, and she needs to keep track of the family tree, and also keep track of who's mating with who and who's whose father and mother and stuff to prevent some inbreeding. But I love this project. I'm really glad that it won most unique. Serena, congratulations. I thought, yeah, I don't know, it was
It's
cool.
a very fun, idea with all the birds, and very practical as well.
Yeah. I like the fact that she had a need to fulfill. Like, she was like, what is an app that I wish I could have for my own personal life? And so she made an app. So, yay. Oh, Luca, congratulations. Yay. All right. So that was most unique to Burb. Most
Mm,
chill. So we're giving away 2 awards for this one. If we add up the percentages of the 2 kinds of ones, the winner of most chill is Relaxing Rain, as well as, I believe, this one, Digital Window. So let's take a look at Relaxing Rain. Relaxing Rain. Relaxing Rain is a Flutter app made for relaxing or focusing using animated background and ambient sound. If y'all watch my Twitch stream, you know that like chillness is a very common factor in all of our streams. That's what we strive for here. So I had to throw in a most chill
yeah, we
award.
had to we had to go with most chill.
Most
Maybe
chill.
we should have gone with most not chill.
Most not chill. If someone made like a death metal app, that probably would have been the winner. So yeah, here's a demo of it. It looks really nice. Like, it's just so beautiful. And definitely wins the chill factor, I would say.
Hmm.
Yeah. Again, like, there was no need to like ship a finished product or even have really anything done as part of this. It was really just like the whole point of the event was a practice in learning and just like trying to make a project yourself. So yes, Chilyuko approves of this message. So Relaxing Rain won one of them, as well as Digital Window. We thought this one was also very cool, very unique. So, Digital Window aims to mimic a real window in situations where they're not available. It does so by transitioning between different images of the day depending on the current time. Key feature that is adjusts your display's backlit brightness, as in brightening or dimming your screen. It's better than just adding filters or doing any software adjustment to an image because this physically it changes the amount of light being produced. So yeah, we thought this was cool. It's very chill.
It's very chill.
Very
Like this,
chill.
the little sunrise is very chill. It's very, very nice and pleasant to
Yes.
look at.
Yes, very nice. So congratulations to Digital Window for also winning most chill. Scott, would you like to present the next
Yeah.
2 awards?
With so many games, we decided the next award would be Mayuko's next gaming addiction, because she's been really hooked on Valorant lately, and it's not a very chill game, right? So we are trying to find her a new chill game to play, and it looks like Dino Run was the next gaming addiction. Where can we find that?
Dino.
This was a very cute game.
Oops.
Whoops.
Dino Run.
Yeah, so this was made by Probhakar. I hope I didn't butcher that too bad. I'm sorry. But yeah, it's like everybody knows the when you have no internet on Chrome game with the dinosaur, and I think this is what that is based off of. But it's a full, Flutter app that you can. Or is it Flutter? Sorry.
I'm not sure. I forget what stack they used.
Yeah.
Flame Game
Engine. Okay, cool. Yeah, and you can we can watch the YouTube video. This is a cute little dinosaur. It's so cute. Oh, your sound doesn't go.
Maybe you'll
It's okay. It's just
jump.
Oh, that's right. That was the other feature of this game, which it's voice activated, so you can tell it to jump and he will jump.
It's so cute. Yay! Congratulations, Dino Run. Should I do the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one is most likely to save the planet, and Mask Finder, a mask crowdsourcing platform, is the winner. Mask Finder is done by Garrick B.
Garrick's, I think, did 3 submissions.
I think Garrick did 2.
Oh, 2?
There are a couple of people who submitted more than one, which is awesome.
Yeah, I can't believe you guys have that much ingenuity in you. You guys are great.
All the ideas. This is about being able to find masks since they're in short supply because of COVID, which was definitely something that we need right now. That was the winner for most likely to save the planet.
Yeah, this one was centered in Germany, I believe. So you can search in your region in Germany. Yeah.
If you're from Germany, holla. Cool. Mask Finder with Garrick B. Congratulations. And Scott, would you do the last honors?
The final topic was most likely to be used by our robot overlords. I thought this was going to be more in favor of the Scott bot, but clearly I was wrong. It was voted for by a single person, but I think, Justin, you're not supposed to vote for yourself. But it looks like Leap Mask was voted
Again, the winner.
most likely to be used by our robot overlords.
Seems like some robot overlordish stuff there.
Yeah, I'm surprised Torb didn't get as many votes as we thought it would.
Yeah. Actually, now that we've presented the results, maybe we talk through some of our favorite apps here. Torb was a really cool app.
Torb was a cool app. They did ask us if it was chill to make this one and present it as part of the Code with Friends, because it is slightly semi-violent. It's a home security system with a BB gun, because their roommate's electric bike was somebody attempted to steal their roommate's electronic bike, and so they didn't really feel safe at home and wanted to kind of create a home security solution, and so they attempted to make a like automated gun turret thing,
which is not going to be used like in real life, like towards a person, nor is it going to be used with a real gun, which we made sure of that. But we thought it was a really cool app. It was I'm sure there were a lot of technical parts to it, which included both this kind of like, look at that. That's so cool. And the README is prolific.
It's just like kind of flops around. It's like
the README and the write-up itself.
Yeah, the write-up was
amazing,
on point. You guys really, really went the extra mile with the README.
Yes,
it was great.
Great job, Timothy and Jack. Torb was really cool. What other projects did we like, Scott?
There's so many.
There were a lot. There were a lot of Pomodoro apps, which I was really happy to see. Pomodoro is a method of focusing on your work by having increments of focused work time and increments of relaxing chill time. And there was a lot. There was Pomodoify, which was really cool. Which we had been seeing like
Progress on this one.
yeah, we've been seeing a lot of the screenshots of this as time went on. This one was really cool, as well as there was one that was the white noise.
Oh, white noise was cool.
Pomodoro sound focus.
Lots of Pomodoro timers that were really clever.
This one was really cool. Oh, I must select. Let's see if y'all can hear it. Ah,
Should just sound like background noise, right?
relaxing. Or thunderstorm. Or a rainforest.
Oh, I think it's too quiet.
Do you hear the birds? I'm not gonna play those two for copyright strike purposes, but yeah, I really like this one too. This was very, very cool app. Let's see what else. Binge Squad was a cool app as well. Basically it's an app that helps you to binge watching movies and TV shows with other people.
Oh, the Muse app, Museotic.
Museotic.
The
This
digital
one.
audio workstation,
This one was also very cool.
as well as Muse. So I think somebody mentioned Muse, the dysfunctional programming language, as well.
Yeah, this is Museotic, an entire application for making music. Let's see if this is a YouTube.
It was currently only. Oh. Honky Tonk Piano.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh.
Yeah, this one
So
was super cool.
And then Muse. Yeah, someone wrote a programming language. Where everything is a function. Right?
Everything is not a function.
Everything
right?
is not. Wait, everything is.
It was dysfunctional because everybody's so into functional programming
Oh,
right
that's
now.
right. That's right.
He wanted to make a non-functional programming language.
Yes. This stuff was. I was like reading the README, and I was just like,
It's got so many little memes in there. If you're a functional programmer, I highly recommend going through it and reading it.
it's a good one. Cool. Yeah, I think. Oh, I can show my app.
Mayuko's.
My
Yeah.
app. I didn't get as far as I wanted, but I did expectations versus reality thing. My whole thing was making a shopping list app that wasn't overloaded with features, and I wanted to build it in SwiftUI, which is a new UI framework from Apple. My brother made the mocks for these, and so I just kind of went through and built them. I got pretty far, but SwiftUI is a very different paradigm for how to create UI in iOS. So there's still lots to be worked on here, obviously, but this was also very fun. So y'all can read through my README as well. All right, cool. But yeah, there were a lot of great projects here.
Yeah. I don't know if we were doing anything for the people who won awards.
Maybe we give them an extra sticker.
Extra sticker.
But the
or-
award winners will be on this page. It's not
Okay.
on the page right now, but it will be put on this page somewhere. So, yeah, brag to your friends that you made an app that is most likely to take over or to be used by robot overlords if you'd like. Yeah. Okay, so that kind of concludes the project aspect of it. I just have a couple of reminders, I guess, and a little few announcements. If you participated in the event, actually, let me change back to our full screen thing here. There we go. Cool. Yeah, a couple of reminders. If you participated in the event or even thought about participating in the event, or maybe you participated for just like a day or a week or half the time or towards the end, whatever amount that you did, we want your feedback because we will be doing Code with Friends again. Probably in
Maybe
the
not in this
fall.
format.
Yeah.
But definitely we'll be attempting to make something, make this a regular thing with, a little bit of twists each time so that to keep it interesting and hopefully everybody, enjoys the new iterations of it.
Yeah. So far in the feedback form, a lot of people mentioned that they had a lot of fun with the event, which I'm very glad about. And we want to keep evolving this event to be more and more fun. I think the thing that we're going to be very conscious about in moving forward with this event is making sure that it's not competitive.
Yeah, making
And
sure
it's
it's not
very chill.
competitive. Maybe have a better centralized project submission process, stuff like that, where it's a little easier to handle than everybody making pull requests against my personal GitHub account.
Yeah, your GitHub
My
account has so much code in it
my
now.
email was very very much spammed with all of the pull
Same.
requests that was going on.
Same. So we'll probably do a better
Yeah,
job of that.
we'll do a better job of. We'll promise to try to do a better job next time of managing the project aspect of it, and hopefully, you guys will all benefit from it.
Yeah. Some other things that we're thinking of doing is including more organizers, including more streamers
Yeah.
to host co-working streams, to make it more of a community. Maybe having some form of like office hours streams.
Office hours, some sort of mentorship. So for those who, there were clearly people who have been working in the industry, and may want to pass on their skills and mentor somebody. And for those who are newer to coding, maybe they want to get mentorship. And so hopefully we can maybe set that up in a future iteration of this as well, so that people can work with others who are who have the skills that they want to learn from or want to teach. So I think there's lots of direction we can take with this. That should be really fun.
Definitely. So give us your feedback. Tell us what you liked about this one. Tell us what you thought could go better, or didn't go well for this one. And then any ideas that you have.
Or any crazy, wacky ideas that you think
Open
might
to
go
it.
along with something of this format.
Yeah. And if you kind of ran into, any blockers, like I heard a lot of people say they just didn't have the time this month, or they ran into kind of just hitting their own wall of being able to work on a project. That's totally fine. I think there are methods and things that we can introduce to the event that make it a little easier or more motivating. So we want to hear all of that as well.
Yep.
Cool. I will. I guess can you link the feedback form into the chat? It's in the Discord right now. Yeah, cool. Yeah, so Scott's gonna link that. And then if you haven't requested a sticker yet for submitting a PR, please do so. I'm pretty sure we have all of them, if not most of them. But you'll get a lovely sticker that looks like this. Unfortunately, I realized because of COVID, there are some countries that I'm unable to ship to. But those countries, I will make sure that they go out as soon as the mailing stuff gets all worked out again. Okay. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that pretty much wraps it up for this iteration of Code with Friends. Hope everybody enjoyed participating, and looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with for next time.
Yeah. Thank you all so much for all the work that you did and for participating. And we just hope that you had fun. We have a Discord community of people. So join that if you'd like. I'm actually going to start my Twitch stream right afterwards and do a little co-working session like I usually do. So come join me over on Twitch. I stream Monday through Friday in the afternoons Pacific time, where I play some chill music and we just hang out and co-work, co-study, just enjoy each other's company. And I think that's it. Cool. Yay. Okay. All right. I think we're going to end this.
All right.
All right. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks for participating, everybody. Bye.